Hey guys, welcome back. So today Elle will be explaining a Bushnell Bluetooth charging port from Android.
So guys, we are going to open the top of the Bluetooth. Then after that, we are going to be changing the charging port. See, as you can see over here. So I'm going to be losing the top. So after pulling up the top cover, there are four screws over here. So we are going to be losing them one after the other. So after that, you can see it. You can see inside. So this is the charging panel at the top over here. So you can see the charging. You can see the charging port is 40. So we are going to be placing it according to the customer himself. He said he need it in Type C format. So we are going to be changing this 100 to Type C charging port, as you can see. So we are turning it to Type C charging port. So firstly, we are going to be expanding where the charging port is going to lie. So we are going to be expanding here. We expand it, the charging port where it lies, making use of that soldering iron. So as you can see, you notice the first pin that goes to the ground. We are going to be removing the first pin at the front. As you can see at my left hand, I've removed one. We same with the other one. So I've expanded it using the soldering iron. So we are good to go. So now I'm going to be showing you the connection of how to connect this Type C charging ports. So firstly, I'm going to be drawing a diagram of the Type C. So don't mind my drawing. It's just an illustration. So this Type C charging ports, this particular one has 6 pin. So only 4 pin over here is valid. The rest 2 is invalid. So as you can see, actually now remember you can turn it upside down, same with the other way. So the very first pin in my left over here is the negative. Same thing with the first one at my right hand, same negative. And the second pin over here is the positive. You can see it very clearly, is the positive. Same with my right hand, same with the positive. So the remaining two over here in the middle, you are not making use of it. It's called a DP. So that is where you can transfer your data. So we are going for only charging port, just to charge, just for charging, nothing more. So this is the circuit diagram or the pinout of the charging port. So we'll be connecting the negative to the body of the charging port, same with the left and right. Then we'll be making use of one of the positive, either from the left or from the right, or we just connect the two together. So now I'm done doing my surgery, so I'm going to be connecting it to the charging board now. As you can see, that capacitor over there by my right, the positive side is connected to the positive terminal of the charging port. So I'm going to be insulating on top of this charging board before inserting the charging ports. So as you can see, I'm done with it. So I'm going to be making use of this A and B gum. I'm going to be mixing it. Then as you can see, this is the fully